Hello students, so welcome to English Computer College. So this is our second meeting in Introduction to Word Processing. So by the way, I'm Miss Joyce Gucilatar and I will be instructress. So okay, for our second meeting, the topic is all about formatting text. So first, what is formatting text all about? You can produce a consistent, pleasing look that enhances the appearance and effectiveness of your document. So we have bold, italic or italicized, and underline. When creating a document, you may need to emphasize particular words or phrases by bolding, underlining, or italicizing. Also, grammatical construct required that you bold, underline, or italicize. You also can combine these pictures into words. You can bold, under, and italicize a single piece of text. So here's my discussion regarding with the three buttons. So keep listen to my discussion. Thank you.
Okay, so for our first way bold with Dialog Box Launcher, first step on the line that begins with launcher, select the word bold. You can place your cursor before the letter B in bold. Drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So before we do the bold, of course, we need to type a text or word. So like for example, Lorem. Okay. So here we have a text. So now, for our second step, choose the home tab. So since we are here in the home tab, third step, click the Dialog Box Launcher in the font group. The font dialog box appear. So before anything else, before we highlight or before we bold a text, we need to highlight. So like for example, this is the cursor. Just drag the mouse, and then when the word is highlighted, then just click the font group. Okay. Here in the font dialog box launcher, we have font, font style, font size, and so on and so forth. So this is the preview. So for the step number 4, click bold in the font style box. So this is the font style and this is the font style box. So just click the bold and then click. So this is the preview. And for the fifth step, click OK, close the dialog box, click anywhere in the text to remove the highlighting. You have bolded the word bold. So after that, click OK. So automatically, you will see here in our text that the word lorem is bolded already. So this is the first way on how we bold a text. So next, steps or ways on how we bold a text. So for the second way, bold with the ribbon. First step, on the line that begins with ribbon, select the word bold. You can place your cursor before the letter B. In bold, drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So again, hahanap tayo ng word na gusto nating i-highlight. So like for example, is this second paragraph. So when the cursor is appear, just drag the mouse. And then, choose the home tab. Since we are here in the home tab, third step is click the bold button B in the font group. You have bolded the word bold. And then, so let's do the step number 3. We are here in the font group. Find the letter B, which is meaning by bold. So just click it. Automatically, the word that we highlighted is already bolded. So, and then click anywhere in the text to remove the highlighting. So, okay. So, now, this is the second way. For our third way of bolding a text, we have bold with the mini toolbar. So, on the line that begins with mini toolbar, select the word bold. You can place your cursor before the letter B in bold. Drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. Alright, so we need to highlight a word again. So like for example is this one. When the cursor appears, just drag the mouse. Okay. So for the second steps is right click, the mini toolbar appears. So here in the mouse, just right click the mouse and automatically the mini toolbar appears. So this is the mini toolbar. So now for the third step, click the button or bold button B. You have bolded with the word bold. So this is the B or bold. So just click it. Automatically the word we highlighted is now bold or bolded. So this is the third way. Next or fourth way is bold with the keys. On the line that begin with keys, select the word bold. You can place your cursor before the letter B in bold. Drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So first, we need to find a word that we want to be highlighted. So like for example is this one. So the cursor appears. So drag the mouse. Automatically, it will highlight it. So for the second step, in your keyboard, press Ctrl plus B. Hold down the Control key while pressing B. So, hindi nyo pwedeng bitawan ng Control. Tapos, kiklik kayo ng B. So, dapat sabay sila. So, hold down the Control. Hold it. And press letter B. Automatically, the word we highlighted is now bolded. So, note to remove the bold, press Ctrl B again. You can remove formatting by pressing Ctrl plus space bar. So, for the third step is click anywhere the text are to remove highlighting. So, these are the 4 ways on how we bold a text. So hopefully you understand what are the 4 ways on how to bold a text. So next, alright, so for the next topic is italicize with the Dialog Box Launcher. First way. So on the line that begins with launcher, select the word italicize. You can place your cursor before the letter I in italicize. Drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So let's highlight another word. So like for example this one. Drag your mouse. And then for the second step is choose the home tab. So since we are here in the home tab, let's proceed to step number 3. Click the Dialog Box Launcher. In the font group, the font dialog box appears. So let's proceed again. Font. Here is the font group Dialog Box Launcher. Just click it. And for the fourth step, click italicize in the font style box. So let's find the italic. Here is the font style. Here is the italic. So just click it. And for the step number 5, click OK to choose the dialog box. And this is the free view. And then click OK. So now, we apply italic style in our word highlighted. So this is the first way. First way is the Dialog Box Launcher. So let's proceed now to the second way on how italicize with the ribbon or using the ribbon. So, first step is on the line that begins with ribbon, select the word italicize. You can place your cursor before the letter I. In italicize, drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So now, again, let's highlight a word. So, like for example, it's this one. Highlight the word. And so since for the step number 2, choose the home tab. So since we are here in the home tab, again, let's proceed to step number 3. Click the italicize button or I. In the font group, you have italicized the word italicize. No, to remove italicize, you can select the text, then click the italicize button I again. So now, we're doing to put italic style here in word that we choose to highlight it in the ribbon. So here at the top, here is the italic or italic size or italicize, sorry. So just click it. Automatically, the word is now we put italic style. Next step is for our third way of italicize with the mini toolbar. On the line that begins with keys, select the word italicize. You can place your cursor before the letter I. In italicize, drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So now, we need to highlight a text or word. So like for example, this one. For the second step is right-click your mouse. The mini toolbar appears. So right-click. Automatically, the mini toolbar will appear. And now, we need, for the step number 3 is we need to click the italic button or letter I. So this one. Just click it. Automatically, the word is now had a italic style. So that is the third way. For our next is fourth way of italicize with the keys. So now we're using keyboard on how to italic a text. So for the step number 1, on the line that begins with keys, select the word italicize. You can place your cursor before the letter I in italicize. Drag your mouse pointer until the entire word is highlighted. So now let's find another word that we need to highlight. So like for example, this one. When the cursor appears, highlight the word. And now, press Ctrl plus I. So hold on the Ctrl key while pressing I. So Ctrl and I. Automatically, the word now had a italic style. So these are the first way is about Dialog Box Launcher. For the second way, we have the ribbon. For the third way, we have the mini toolbar. And for the fourth way, we have keys or keyboard. Next, so our next formatting toolbar is Underline with the Dialog Box Launcher first way. On the line that begins with launcher, select the word underline. You can place your cursor before the letter U in underline. Drag your mouse pointer until the enter word is now highlighted. Or now let's find a word that we need to highlight. So like for example is the lorem. Highlight the lorem word. So for the second step is choose the home tab. So since we are here in the home tab, proceed to step number 3 is the click the Dialog Box Launcher in the font group. The font group dialog box appears. So font, here is the font group. Just click it. Let's find the underline. So here in the underline, so we can find the underline in, let's proceed to step number 4. Click underline in the font style box. We have font style box and click OK to choose the dialog box. So here is the underline style. So all you have to do is click the more arrow and then the more style of underline will appear. So like for example, we need the double rule. So just click it. Automatically here in preview, we'll see what is the style of double line when we apply it to the text. And then click OK. Automatically, our word highlighted is now had a underline or double rule. Next steps is our second way, underline with the ribbon. On the line that begins with ribbon, select the word underline. You can place your cursor before the letter U in underline. Drag your mouse pointer until the word is highlighted. So let's find a word that we need to put highlight. So like for example is this one. Highlight the text, and now for the second step is choose the home tab. So since we are here in the home tab, let's proceed to step number 3. We have click the underline button U in the font group. Alternatively, you can press down arrow next to the underline button and click to choose the type of underline you want. So here, we have the underline and we have more arrow. So just click it. Automatically, more underline will appear. So, as you can see, in our highlighted text, that is the preview. So this is the single rule and then the double rule or double underline, tick underline, dotted underline, dash underline, dot dash underline, and we have wave underline and also dot dash underline. So if we want it more look presentable, and then just click the single or the underline. Just click it. Automatically it will have a underline. So next way is, or the third way is using our keys or underline with the keys, which is the keyboard. So based here on the line that begins with keys, select the word underline these words. And then now we need to highlight a word. So like for example is this one, the word that we put italic style. So press Ctrl plus U, hold down the Control key while pressing U. So Control and then U. Automatically, the word that we highlighted is now have a underline. So all you have to do is just click Control plus U. So, click, or for the third step, click anyway in the text R to remove the highlighting. So, automatically, these are the steps to putting underline. We have font dialog box for our first way, Reborn for our second way, and also keys or keyboard in our third way. So that is the more ways or more steps on how to put bold, italic, also underline. So that are the formatting tools or formatting text that we need to put to our text or document. So next is all three with keys. So, sa isang word, ilalagay na natin ang bold, of course, italic, and also the underline. So, we need to choose, like for example, this one. Highlight the text. So, all three. Control, hold down the control. Click letter B. Hold down the control. Click the letter I. For fourth step, or to put underline, control or hold down the control, and then control plus U. So automatically, that is the 3 steps using with the keys. Again, let's try here in the next words. Control, hold down, click the letter B, click the letter I, and of course the letter U. Automatically, the 3 ways, all 3 is now here in our highlighted text. So, Control plus B for bold, Control plus I for italic, and Control plus U for underline. So that is all the formatting text or formatting tools that we use in our documents.
Thank you, students, for watching and still listening to our second subject. So see you in our third meeting next week. I'm hoping that you learned something new for our topic for today. So thank you, guys.